Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 6 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the settings. So to open the settings, press the upper button to open the menu. Then scroll down, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, look for the option called display and brightness, and once you find it, select it of course, and here you have the brightness option. Tap on it, and right here we have the brightness, I would call it slider or maybe circle, and you have 3 levels of brightness. You have the lowest one, the medium one, and the brightest one. And you can adjust it of course by tapping on the minus and plus buttons. So adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the brightness, but I forgot to mention, you can also adjust it through the quick control menu. So if you press and hold the upper button instead of pressing it once, you will see the control menu. And here you have shortcuts to different functions of the watch. By default, the brightness is not here, but you can tap on Edit, then tap on Add. Scroll through the list, look for the screen brightness or the brightness, tap on the plus next to it, tap on the check mark, and the brightness will be added. And then we can tap on Done, and now whenever you open the controls menu, the brightness will be here on the list, and you can tap on the icon to open the brightness menu and adjust the brightness to your liking. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.